Want to turn a product link into a video ad in seconds? Meet JoggAI's URL to video, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Just paste your link, and your AI ad video is ready. Let me show you how it works. It currently supports major e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Shein, eBay, and more. Don't have product link? No problem. You can simply click Upload Product Media manually to add your own product images or videos. Once you paste your link and hit Create Video, JoggAI will automatically pull in all the key information from the page, including product images, videos, title, and descriptions. You can edit any of these fields to better suit your needs. Then, under Highlights, add your product's key selling points and define your target audience. Next, choose your video aspect ratio, duration, and language. Then, go to Avatar Settings to select the AI avatar you want to use. You can pick from our ready-made templates in Public Avatar, use your previously created avatar in My Avatar, or even choose your personalized AI clone from Custom Avatar. Finally, select the AI voice you'd like to use to make your video sound more natural and engaging. Once that's done, click Next to move into the script generation phase. JoggAI will generate multiple AI video script options in different tones and styles. Didn't find the one you love? Just click Generate More. Or upload your own custom script. Now it's time to bring your video to life. JoggAI will give you several video templates to choose from, designed for different platforms and ad formats. And don't worry, the AI avatar's lip syncing will perfectly match the script, creating a natural, seamless look on screen once it's generated. Oh, and one more thing, you can even add this feature to your Google Chrome extension so you can generate ad videos directly from product pages with just a click. Super fast, super convenient.